how to add or remove GPS location from a picture in the picture gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Then I'm going to go back to my photos selection. In here, open up a picture that you want to edit. Next, tap on the information button. Then tap on edit. Next, in the GPS location tag, tap on the add button. And here you can choose a location that you want to add. You can also use the search button right here. So here I'm going to put in San Jose. You can put in the full address if you know the location address. Next, I'm going to zoom in. I'm just going to select some random address, but you can put in a specific address in the search bar. And there it is. And then tap on done. And then tap on saved. And that is how you can add in the GPS location to your picture. If you want to remove it, just tap on edit. And then tap on the remove button. Then tap on saved. And that will allow you to save the changes. And that's it. That is how you can add or remove the GPS location on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.